Hello everyone. Let's dive into the Thermaltake View 380TG ARGB mid-tower chassis in Matcha green. This case is a real head-turner with its unique color and tempered glass side panel, perfect for showing off your build. First off, compatibility is excellent. It supports mini IDX, micro ATX, and ATX motherboards, covering a wide range of build options. You got plenty of room for components too. CPU coolers up to 160mm in height fit without issue, and it can handle graphics cards up to a whopping 415mm long. Even power supplies up to 200mm are supported, giving you flexibility in choosing your PSU. Cooling is a major focus here. The View 380 can accommodate up to 10 fans or radiators up to 360mm. This means you can create some serious airflow to keep your components running cool, even under heavy loads. It comes with 4 pre-installed 120mm ARGB light fans, which not only provide decent cooling, but also add a vibrant splash of color to your system. The ARGB lighting is compatible with most motherboard software, so you can easily customize the colors and effects to match your setup. One interesting feature is its compatibility with the hidden connector motherboards from Asus and MSI. These motherboards place all the connectors on the back, resulting in a cleaner, more organized look inside the case. If you're aiming for a super clean build, this is a great option to consider. The case is made from a combination of metal and tempered glass, giving it a premium feel. The build quality is solid, and the tempered glass panel is securely mounted. The Matcha green color is definitely unique and stands out from the typical black or white cases. It's a great choice if you want something that reflects your personality. In terms of usability, the View 380 is well designed. There's plenty of room for cable management, which is crucial for a clean build. The tool-less design makes it easy to install and remove components. The front panel connectors are conveniently located, and the case has good dust filtration to keep your components clean. Overall, the Thermaltake View 380TG ARGB mid-tower chassis is a fantastic case that offers a great combination of style, functionality, and compatibility. The unique Matcha green color, ample cooling options, and support for hidden connector motherboards make it a standout choice for gamers, enthusiasts, and anyone looking to build a visually appealing and high-performing PC.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.